This is a video about Yealink MVC640 unboxing. Step 1. Connect M-Touch E2. Open the back cover of M-Touch E2. You can find these two cables in the M-Touch E2 package. Connect the Cat5e cable through the bracket to the VCH port. Use the USB cable to connect M-Touch E2 and PC. Squeeze cables into the wire slot to prevent it from being pulled out by mistake. Tidy up the cables and cover the back cover. Tighten the screws. Step 2. Connect and install UVC84. Connect to the power adapter. Connect the USB cable from the UVC84 package to the video out port. Connect the audio cable to the line out port. Connect the other end of the audio cable to line in port of M speaker 2. Install UVC84. Step 3. Connect and install MCore Pro. Press the buttons on both sides to open. Connect the Cat5e cable from M-Touch E2 to the M-Touch port of MCore Pro. Connect the other end of USB cable from UVC84 to the MCore Pro. You can find these cables in the MCore Pro package. Prepare a network cable to connect the MCore Pro to the network by yourself. Connect power adapter of the MCore Pro. Connect the HDMI cable as needed for the display. Close the bottom cover until hearing the meaning it has been fastened. Fasten the MCore Pro with machine screws. Install MCore Pro. Pay attention to the direction of the bracket before mounting it on the wall and on the display.
Step 4. Connect and install MCore Pro. Connect the MCore Pro to the MCore Pro. Connect the MCore Pro with machine screws. Install MCore Pro. Pay attention to the direction of the bracket before mounting it on the wall and on the display.
Remember to connect all devices to a power supply. Step 4. Set up the system. On the EULA interface, select the Agree checkbox. Click Next. On the account interface, enter the email account and password of Skype or Microsoft. Select Skype for Business and Microsoft Teams default from the supported meeting mode drop-down menu. Click Next. Click Next. On the advanced interface, configure the domain. Click Next. Click Finish to finish the setup. Step 5. Pair CPW65 with UVC84. When connecting WDD60 to UVC84, please use the Type A to Type A adapter to prevent overheating. Insert WDD60 into the USB port of UVC84. Open the Yelink RoomConnect software, click the UVC84 card, go to Device Status, Wireless Expansion Microphone, click Bind. Press the mute button of CPW65, and the mute LED indicator flashes yellow. After the binding is successful, the YRC will display the CPW65 information. Click Check. Device Settings. Add wireless microphone to add another CPW65. Press the mute button of CPW65, and the mute LED indicator flashes yellow. After the binding is successful, the YRC will display the CPW65 information.